Good morning, students. Once again, I am continuing with the 2018 IE paper. So, the next problem is on mesh analysis. You are given a circuit. You are given a circuit. In the given circuit, the mesh currents I1, I2, I3 in amperes are. This is I1, this is I2, this is I3. I1, I2, I3 are mesh currents. You are required to find I1, I2, I3. I3. Now, in this problem, inspection method fails because inspection method cannot be applied because there is a current source. There is a current source in the middle branch. Therefore, you can't apply inspection method. So first interpret. You recall procedure. Interpret the current source value with mesh currents. So it is flowing like this. Therefore, what is 2 amperes? 2 amperes is equal to I3 minus I1. So this is first equation. So first we have to relate mesh currents with current source value. I3 minus I1 equal to 2. Now next, this is the path where you don't find current source, and this is another path where you don't find current source. You are supposed to apply KVL to these two paths. Now I will apply KVL to this path. If you apply KVL to this path, 1 into I2 minus I3. 1 into I2 minus I3. Next plus 6 into I2 minus I1. 6 into I2 minus I1. Next, negative, from negative to positive, minus 5 volts. If it is taken to the other side, it will be 5 volts. This is second equation. If you simplify this, I2 minus I3 plus 6I2 minus 6I1 equal to 5, or minus 6I1 plus 7I2 minus I3 equal to 5. Call this as equation number 2. Now apply KVL to the third path. 6 into I1 minus I2. 6 is equal to I1 minus I2. Next plus 1 into I3 minus I2. I3 minus I2 plus 1 into I3. Next plus 2 into I1 equal to 0. Therefore, 6I1 minus 6I2 plus I3 minus I2 plus I3 plus 2I1 equal to 0. Therefore, simplifying, 8I1. Next minus 7I2 plus 2I3 equal to 0. Call this as equation number 3. Now we have to solve 2 and 3. If you solve 2 and 3, minus 6I1 plus 7I2 minus I3 equal to 5. 8I1 minus 7I2 plus 2I3 equal to 0. Add. On adding, we get 2I1 plus I3. 2I1 plus I3 equal to 5. 2I1 plus I3 equal to 5. Equal to 5. Call this as equation number 4. Now solve 4 and 1. Solve 4 and 1. 1 is minus I1 plus I3 equal to 0. We have to solve. We have to solve. Subtract. Subtracting 3I1 is equal to 3. Therefore, I1 is equal to 1 ampere. So, for I1 equal to 1 ampere. Now, one thing, be sure. Now, we are getting I1 as 1 ampere. So, I1 1 ampere. So, this is the only answer where I1 is 1. Therefore, this is correct. Now, if you solve I1 equal to 1, therefore, I3 is equal to, therefore, I3 is equal to 3. I3 is equal to 3. Now, I2, we can solve for I2. So, I2 comes out to be 2. I2 comes out to be 2. I2 comes out to be 2. So, this is how we have to solve problem on mesh analysis. Thank you.